Now third point is reactions due to both alkyl group and OH group. Reactions due to both alkyl group and hydroxyl group. Very first, dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water molecules. D means removal, hydration of the water. Removal of H2O is known as dehydration. Here we use dehydrating agent like alumina, sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentoxide, etc. When alcohol vapors are passed over alumina at 120 degrees centigrade, then dehydration takes place and formation of alkene. Alcohol on dehydration gives alkene. Here we use alumina Al2O3 as a dehydrating agent. Now we discuss oxidation of alcohol. This method is used to differentiate 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. This method is used to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. For example, primary alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde, and aldehyde on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid. Primary alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde, and aldehyde on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid. Here number of carbon atoms remains same. Alcohol contains 2 carbon. The oxidation product aldehyde contains 2 carbon atom, and on further oxidation we obtain carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid also contains 2 carbon atom. Here number of carbon atoms remains same in all conversion or all oxidation process. It is about 1 degree alcohol. But when we use 2 degree alcohol, means when we take isopropyl alcohol CH3, CH3, CHO, these on oxidation H2O comes out and we obtain ketone. Secondary alcohol on oxidation gives ketone. The carbon number of carbons remains same. These ketones on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid with 1 carbon less. Here we write CH3, CO, CH3. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4. H2O, CO2 and CH3COOH. This carboxylic acid has 1 carbon less. That's why it is in these reactions secondary alcohol on oxidation gives ketone with equal number of carbon atom, while these ketones on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid which have 1 carbon less. Here number of carbons 3, but in this case number of carbon is 2. In case of secondary alcohol on oxidation gives ketone with same number of carbon atoms, and ketone on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid which has 1 carbon less. Third oxidation, 3 degree or tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol are those alcohols in which functional group OH is attached with tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon is that carbon atom which is linked with 3 other carbon atoms. Tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol on oxidation gives ketone minus CO2 minus H2O minus 2H2O. Here number of carbon atoms is 4. Tertiary alcohol on oxidation gives ketone with 1 carbon less, and this ketone on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid which also has 1 carbon less. Here number of carbon atoms gradually decreases in all the steps. So here we discuss oxidation of alcohol. On the basis of oxidation process, we can differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde and aldehyde on oxidation gives carboxylic acid having same number of carbon atoms. In case of secondary alcohol on oxidation gives ketone and ketone on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid with one carbon less. Here number of carbon atoms 3 in alcohol, 3 in ketone while 2 in carboxylic acid. In case of tertiary alcohol on oxidation gives ketone with one carbon less and ketone on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid. We use dehydrogenation. On the basis of dehydrogenation, we also differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Dehydrogenation, D means removal, hydrogenation means हाइड्रोजन का. यहाँ हाइड्रोजन बाहर निकलेगा -H2. यहाँ पर हमको डीहाइड्रोजनेटिंग एजेंट का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. कॉपर act as a dehydrogenating agent. Very first, 1 degree alcohol when heated with copper, then we obtain aldehyde with same number of carbon atoms. Secondary alcohol when undergoes dehydrogenation, then formation of ketone takes place. Tertiary alcohol when heated with copper, then instead of dehydration takes place and water molecules is removed forming alkene. We also differentiate 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol on the basis of dehydrogenation. Primary alcohol on dehydrogenation gives aldehyde, while secondary alcohol on dehydrogenation gives ketone and tertiary alcohol on dehydrogenation gives alkene. Now the important topic is Victor-Mayer process to differentiate 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. This is primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, and this is tertiary alcohol. Reagent. At first, all the alcohols react red iodine in the presence of red phosphorus. Here we obtain iodo derivatives R CH2I, R2 CHI and R3 CI. In first step, alcohols are subjected for the reaction with iodine in presence of red phosphorus or reaction with HI or formation of primary iodo compounds, secondary iodo compounds and tertiary iodo compound takes place. This reacts with silver nitrite. Here iodo group is replaced by nitro group. Here iodo group is replaced by nitro group. We obtain AgI as a byproduct and formation of RCH2NO2. Primary nitroalkane secondary nitroalkane and tertiary nitroalkane takes place. Now, third, these are subjected to reaction with nitrous acid. In first step, reaction with P plus I2. In second step, reaction with silver nitrite. In third step, reaction with nitric acid. We can write nitric acid as follows. In first step, water molecule is liberated and formation of nitrolic acid takes place. Nitrolic acid. Here, water molecule is also liberated. And we obtain pseudonitrile. Pseudonitrile. It looked like a nitrolic acid, but not actually a nitrile. Pseudonitrile. There is no replaceable hydrogen at all, therefore no reaction. There is no reaction with nitrous acid. Now, reactions alkali. Here we obtained red color, here we obtained blue color, and this is colorless. RBC, red blood corpuscles, red, blue, colorless. So, with the help of this method, we can differentiate primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol by oxidation method, by dehydrogenation method, by Victor Meyer method, and fourth one is Lucas test, Lucas reagent. The mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl is known as Lucas reagent. The mixture of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl is known as Lucas reagent. This reagent is also used to distinguish or differentiate 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol. It is also used to differentiate 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol. 3 degree alcohol reacts immediately with Lucas reagent and gives white PPT immediately. 2 degree alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent after 5 minutes and we obtain white turbidity. And primary alcohol do not react with Lucas reagent. On the basis of this precipitate, we can differentiate 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. Now, in JEE Main 2014, one question is asked that good reagent used to convert alcohol into aldehyde is. The good reagent which is used to convert alcohol, primary alcohol into aldehyde is, and the answer is PCC, pyridine chlorochromate, pyridinium chlorochromate. It is used to oxidize primary alcohol into aldehyde because it is mild oxidizing agent.